Today I'm going to show you how to add guests to your stream in StreamYard. So if you've made it all the way into your StreamYard studio, where you're about to click up over here and start your stream, but you have not yet added any guests, you can come down over here and you can click on this present or invite. Over here, you can come all the way down, click on invite guests. Now, you can see that you have a code that you can copy. Anybody that is going to take this code, enter it into their browser, they'll be able to join your stream. You can also go ahead, click on Gmail, email, or Messenger and send it directly to whoever you would like to send it to. And then you can also add in a branded welcome for your guests. You can go ahead, turn this on, and then click on Show Me. It'll take you through where you can design your own welcome for your guests. Once you've done that, they will be able to literally join this stream while it is live.